Brazos County is taking a proactive approach to prevent landfills from being built in the county without local approval.
And county leaders held a public hearing today on an ordinance they say would keep control in their hands. Donnie Tuggle has more.
For rural counties in Texas, landfills can show up with little warning, leaving communities scrambling to fight back. Right now, that's exactly what's happening in Lee County, where residents are pushing back against a composting facility they say would harm their community. Brazos County leaders want to avoid that kind of battle before it ever begins.
All the county judges I talk to are concerned that someone will come into their county and buy property and have a landfill without any input from the Commissioner's Court.
The proposed ordinance would designate a county-owned site in Milliken as the only location where a landfill could be developed, blocking companies from buying private land elsewhere. Eric McGee is the county's outside legal counsel. He says being proactive is the best way to protect against loopholes that have allowed landfills to be built in other counties, sometimes without much notice.
There's not really anything a county or a citizens' right group can do at that point. Once the application's on file, that's up to the TCEQ to make those determinations.
And Lyons property backs up to the site in Milliken and worries what could happen should future county leaders reverse course and sell the land.
I understand that you are a very friendly court, and I hear your concerns about Milliken, but I don't see any protection of us beyond this court, and that's my concern.
Judge Dwayne Peters says he believes the ordinance provides protection now and is the best protection for the future.
You know, I don't know what a future court would be, but the other side of it is that if this isn't in place, then a future court wouldn't have any say-so, because they could go out and buy property right next door to this property and do the same thing.
Donnie Tuggle, News 3.
Going back to Lee County, the landfill fight there, that's still playing out. Meanwhile, Brazos County commissioners will vote on that ordinance they talked about today come next Tuesday.